Recompact, the most efficient compact spinning system in the industry. Recompact is the state-of-art in ring spinning. With Recompact we traverse the yarn between up to 5 multi-channels for maximum efficiency. Yarn can either be traversed manually, semi-automatic or fully automatic. Here you see how the yarn automatically traverses while the machine is running. The traversing is made possible by a special condenser and unique compactors. Here you see the traversing process step by step. The yarn traverses between the channels and is guided by the double condenser. This maximizes the surface on cots and aprons, which is used by the roving. Multi-channel traversing increases lifetime dramatically and lets you save on energy costs, spare parts, and maintenance time.